Hi, it's Bill Hormann with Real Estate Table Talk today, and I've decided to go outside because this Table Talk is aimed at first-time home buyers. If you've never owned a home before and you haven't acquired the various items you're going to need for the upkeep of your home, particularly the exterior, I just want you to know that it's going to cost you money. There are added expenses beyond what your mortgage will cost you, your taxes, and your insurance. So I'm going to walk you around my backyard and my garage so that you get a sense that perhaps I need to budget a little bit more. Maybe I don't spend as much as I'm allowed on a loan just to make sure I can buy some of these other items. So here's what I want to show you. I wanted to show you my garage. There are a lot of items in here that you might not necessarily have and that you might need in your backyard garden. For instance, a bunch of sprays and potting soils and garden tools and gloves. I have a thatching machine. I have an extension cord. I have a bunch of paint equipment here, rollers and brushes and sandpaper and trowels. It's tools like, let's see, we have in here probably a jigsaw right there. I know I have a Dremel tool in here. I also have drills that I need, and I have, of course, this blower for the leaves in the fall. Of course, the blower needs gas, and I have various hammers and saws. You need those. All sorts of nails and screws. On the other side of my garage, I have various tools, screwdrivers, paint brushes, tape, levelers, more tape, broom. This is a lawn edger. There you go, bit of a chop saw right there. I also have a pitchfork. Let's go out to the backyard. I want to see some other, oh, this is expensive. This is an electric mower. It's like a Tesla. They're expensive, $400 or more. Of course, you're going to need dirt. You're going to need grass seed. And if you have persistent spots, you'll be repeating that year after year. If you're a bad gardener like me, I think I spend $300 just in dirt every single year. You have wheelbarrows. You have wood that you're going to need. Of course, plants that you'll want to buy. Some are perennials and some are annuals. Going around to my front yard there, you can see we've already got some more soil so my wife can plant the garden. These are all perennials here. But we do add some flowers every year. There's an expense to that. Fertilizers you're going to need, pruners, saws that I've already shown you. Some of these bushes will really look great in a couple of weeks. But you just get the sense that keeping a nice yard, making sure the exterior of your home looks nice, takes a lot of time and it takes some money. If you're a first-time home buyer, you might not realize all this, or you might not budget for it. Of course, more experienced homeowners know that these are expenses that you're going to have just about every winter, spring, summer, and fall. It's going to cost you money, extra money. That's why it's probably not wise, if you're a first-time home buyer, to spend the limit on your loan amount and try to get somebody else to pay your closing costs. You might need cash to buy a lawnmower or an edger or some tools. It costs to own a home, but there are benefits to home ownership, of course, tax benefits, freedom benefits. You get to do what you want on your piece of property. That's the benefit of being a homeowner, but there is responsibility. Oh, by the way, you're probably going to need some lawn furniture too. Yeah, just add that to the list. I'm Bill Hormann, and that's Real Estate Table Talk.